जांच दल द्वारा उक्त भर्ती प्रक्रिया की जांच किया जाकर दिनांक 9/3/2020 को जांच प्रतिवेदन अधो हस्ताक्षरी के समक्ष प्रस्तुत किया गया। प्रस्तुत जांच रिपोर्ट में यह उल्लेख किया गया है कि उक्त पदों पर भर्ती किए जाने हेतु मध्य प्रदेश शासन सामान्य प्रशासन विभाग के आदेश क्रमांक इतना दिनांक 3 जुलाई 2019 द्वारा साक्षात्कार एवं चयन हेतु अनुसूचित जाति, अनुसूचित जनजाति एवं पिछड़ा वर्ग का पृथक पृथक प्रतिनिधित्व का प्रावधान है, किंतु चयन समिति का गठन इस निर्देश के अनुरूप नहीं किया गया है। उक्त पदों पर भर्ती किए जाने हेतु प्रकाशित विज्ञापन में न्यूनतम शैक्षणिक योग्यता, अर्हता, पदवार आरक्षण, रोस्टर, अनुभव एवं अन्य अनिवार्य शर्तों का उल्लेख नहीं किया गया है। साथ ही आवेदन पत्र का कोई प्रारूप भी निष्पादित नहीं किया गया। मुख्य चिकित्सा एवं स्वास्थ्य अधिकारी द्वारा 7 कॉलम का गोस्वारा पत्रक तैयार किया गया है। इस गोस्वारा पत्रक में शैक्षणिक योग्यता, अर्हता, अनुभव एवं विषय के
मैडम व्हाट इज द मैटर अबाउट? आपने एकदम में पढ़ना चालू कर दिया, हमने पढ़ना चालू कर दिया, पता क्या तो बताइए।
Your Lordship, it is about by way of the impugned order, Your Lordship, the appointment of the petitioners have been cancelled. In this
Which post you were appointed?
Your Lordship,
On which post you were appointed? Different post.
different posts, Your Lordship. These were all non-ministerial posts. In the public health and Your Lordship. In the year 2019, Your Lordship, a recruitment was carried out. The state had sanctioned several posts by way of annexure P1. Your Lordship, may kindly have a look at P1. निम्नानुसार पदों की स्वीकृति एवं उनकी पूर्ति की
So then you were appointed and then cancelled.
Your Lordship, without any opportunity of hearing, Your Lordship.
Now let's see cancellation order.
Your Lordship.
Annexure P?
P14, Your Lordship.
P14, yes.
It is said to have been cancelled on the ground, Your Lordship, that the committee which recommended the appointment was not according to the circular of GAD.
जांच प्रक्रिया की जांच किया जाएगा। दिनांक 9/3/2020 को जांच प्रतिवेदन अधोहस्ताक्षरी के समक्ष प्रस्तुत किया था। यही पढ़ देंगे ना मैडम?
Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
Last week also it was argued.
Your Lordship, it could not be argued, Your Lordship, but directed for filing of this circular of the GAD. This is a copy of that circular, Your Lordship.
Yes.
It provides that the selection committee should have representation of SC, ST and OBC. In my submission, Your Lordship, although this is only a circular, Your Lordship, the rules do not prescribe for the same. Other than that, Your Lordship, there are no charges of any favoritism or corruption.
How many persons were there in this particular committee?
The constitution, Your Lordship, is at annexure P7, Your Lordship.
P7. भर्ती कमेटी निम्नानुसार गठित है। किस किस कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करते हैं पांचों लोग?
Your Lordship, the state will be in a better position to answer that. But Your Lordship, even otherwise, there are no charges of corruption or favoritism against this committee. Moreover, Your Lordship, it was the respondents that formed this committee. The petitioners had nothing to do with the same.
Let's again see P7.
Your Lordship.
What they were required to do? Let's see the recruitment notice, annexure.
Your Lordship, the advertisement, Your Lordship, will find at P6, page 21. Your Lordship, in the year 2019, the state...
what was the process of selection?
Your Lordship, in the year 2000...
what was the process of selection? Advertisement, then what happened?
After the advertisement, Your Lordship, this committee was formed.
What the committee did?
The committee recommended, Your Lordship, the recommendations, Your Lordship, will find at P8, page 25.
Madam, did the committee conduct interview?
No.
No.
Your Lordship, documents were called and interviews were held. Your Lordship may have a look at P8, page 25.
Let's see the interview.
Your Lordship, may kindly come to page 26. This is the finding, Your Lordship.
Madam, again, were the interviews held or not?
They were held, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will find it at page 26. The district committee mentions that.
साक्षात्कार कहाँ लिखा है? छोटे विज्ञापन में होगा ना, कैसे कैसे होगा?
Your Lordship, in the advertisement, Your Lordship will find at P6, in which the qualification was prescribed, Your Lordship. The number of posts that were advertised were also mentioned.
आप तो मैडम ये बता दीजिए, विज्ञापन हुए थे कि नहीं, साक्षात्कार हुए थे कि नहीं हुए थे? मिस्टर स्वामी आप बताइए, इंटरव्यू हुए थे कि नहीं हुए थे? पहले आप लोग दोनों में से हाँ ना तय कर लीजिए, हुए थे कि नहीं हुए थे?
So the committee was constituted and the committee verified the reports and also the document.
No, whether the committee scrutinized the document or committee conducted interview.
Lordship, as per the annexure P7, they scrutinized the documents. The type copies there. That they दस्तावेज दुरुस्त पाए गए मौखिक रूप से
So
कमिटी
this is one thing, madam. This is one.
Your Lordship.
अदर इज दैट आवेदन पत्र का कोई प्रारूप निर्धारित नहीं किया गया। मुख्य चिकित्सा स्वास्थ्य अधिकारी द्वारा 7 कॉलम का गोस्वारा पत्रक तैयार किया गया है।
Your Lordship.
इस गोस्वारा पत्रक में शैक्षणिक योग्यता, अर्हता, अनुभव, विषय के किस आधार पर वरीयता प्रदान कर अभ्यर्थियों का चयन किया गया स्पष्ट नहीं है। इस पे क्या कहना है आपका?
Your Lordship, the recruitment was held in 2 phases. In the first one, the posts were advertised, 2 posts were advertised for recruitment on the post of surveillance worker. In that, Your Lordship, only 3 candidates applied. If Your Lordship will have a look at
No,
the...
madam, 3 is good. But the authority is writing there is no pro forma, there is no established mechanism for assessment. How the assessment was done?
Your Lordship, when the posts were sanctioned, Your Lordship, by P1, Your Lordship will see that the state itself says that there were no rules at that time. There were no rules for appointment of the petitioner at that time. Your Lordship, may kindly have a look at P1. Your Lordship, may kindly come to page 16. After
Enact-
sanctioning, Your Lordship, it is Your Lordship. After sanctioning, Your Lordship, it has been said, उक्त आदेश जारी होने के पश्चात मध्य प्रदेश लोक स्वास्थ्य एवं परिवार कल्याण विभाग अलिपिकीय तृतीय श्रेणी सेवा भर्ती नियम एवं मध्य प्रदेश लोक सेवा नियम में संशोधन किया जाए। There was no as
आपका
such
रिप्लाई क्या है मिस्टर स्वामी?
the reply.
In our reply, we have stated that pursuant to the interim order, show cause notices have been issued to them, and after conducting inquiry pursuant to the show cause notice, Lordship, they will be given an opportunity of hearing.
No, that is good.
That is what
That
we have
is good.
stated,
But what is the basis of P14?
Lordship. P14, Lordship, as such, I admit, Lordship, in the reply, there is not a whisper about the contents of annexure P14. But Lordship, if the advertisement itself may be seen, that is at annexure P6. P6, Lordship, these are the various advertisements that were published, Your
मैडम
Lordship.
इसको पढ़िए जरा आप,
Your Lordship.
कोई जोर से पढ़िएगा, 3-4 लाइन है, ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है।
Your Lordship. मध्य प्रदेश लोक सेवा अनुसूचित जातियों, अनुसूचित जनजाति एवं अन्य पिछड़े वर्गों के लिए आरक्षण अधिनियम 1994 की धारा 8 में प्रदत्त शक्तियों के अंतर्गत राज्य शासन नेता द्वारा प्रत्येक विभाग के अधीन गठित साक्षात्कार एवं पदोन्नति समिति में अनुसूचित जाति, अनुसूचित जनजाति एवं अन्य पिछड़े वर्ग का पृथक पृथक प्रतिनिधित्व अनिवार्य किया जाता है। Your Lordship.
So now how the interview is relevant? आपसे 3-4 बार क्वेरी की इंटरव्यू हुए कि नहीं हुए, उसका क्या रेलिवेंस है?
Your Lordship.
Did you get anything?
Lordship.
Did you get or did not get?
Your Lordship.
You got it.
Your Lordship.
बताइए क्या रेलिवेंस है फिर?
Your Lordship, because it says that the साक्षात्कार committee should have been.
साक्षात्कार जहाँ होगा वहाँ जरूरी है, जहाँ साक्षात्कार नहीं होगा वहाँ जरूरी नहीं है।
Your Lordship.
इसलिए आपसे 3-4 बार पूछा इंटरव्यू हुए कि नहीं हुए,
Your Lordship.
और आपने 3-4 बार कहा कि हाँ हुए।
Your Lordship.
अगर हुए तब तो जरूरी है।
Your Lordship.
लाइए लेटर दीजिए।